my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great. I meant when you're gonna say, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. One big up all of the man them and all of the crew. Seeing and big up the Jamaica first group, Caribbean first group on WhatsApp. You can click the link. It's right there in the description. Now, I want to talk on this beryllium thing we go down in St. Thomas and the overall effect. And sort of give my 2 cents. Right off the jump, me I tell you no, I didn't look at the video that people see and in talking about it. I have family member told me about it, and I have friends told me about it, and the last robbery, everybody know the man them gateway, and I'm gonna repeat that again. The man them gateway. There was a shootout between the man and the guard them, and then the man them and police, and the man them blow it up on the police and gateway. Well, I feel a couple different ways with this situation. Now I think this is the 4th robbery. Some of it was attempted, the 2 last one to work, but the 2 first one work. The police arrest, I think, people from the 2nd one, because all the man them deal with it sloppy. And the first set of man them lick down 2 people or whatever, but people dead and get 25 million. 2 last set them one year, them not get nothing. Now, remember, you know, I didn't watch the video, but from people who watch the video and explain to me, I am telling people that these guys are trained with gun, especially long gun. Now, who carry long gun in Jamaica legally? Which people in the government are part of the government carry long gun. But from what I was told, and like I said, I didn't want to watch the video. I just want to give an analysis on something that I didn't see just from word of mouth people talking who actually see the video. So the people see it and I'm interpreting through their eyes. All right. Another thing that strike me with the situation, and like a family member said it to me, I'm ask him, I say, yo, how you feel about this? And he said he feels the men them is disrespectful. And guess what? When the man said that, I had to agree with him. You understand? Very disrespectful to our society. The man them a come up with gun, long gun in a middle day. You understand? Now, me not mind them get the money. I'ma say that. wanna forget the money, get the bomber clock money, but the attack on the civilians and the community. You understand? Because the guardsman them have to eat, and only say the company now pay the man them right. And you see how the chaos, because I saw a video with guardsman with some contracting, and me I say, bomber clot, what the fuck is that? Cause you have a pussy up there get explain to the people them about the contract and the new government law. And all him a do, I whine around the pussy them. Alright, sorry, me I call the people them pussy, me now cut it out. All the pussy I do, I whine up the people them. With them big blood clot words. So my thing is, uno, very disrespectful. Get the money, find a different way to get the money without people get hurt. If you're not doing a thing, and I am not supporting crime. Now, couple more things run through my mind. That Jamaica is very unsafe. And like my Rastaman bridging up in the hills, you know who me attack. Oh, my Rasta bridging, I want to tell you, me and the Rasta are going to have an interview. And we're going to talk about a whole range of topics and stuff like that. The Rastaman dip on the ground and him know where I go. You understand? But him said that Jamaica is an open country. The border them open. Because everybody know we don't produce gun. But enough gun are come down there. That's because the government is not securing the border properly. Now, we can discuss all sort of things, you know. This, that, customs officer, thief, what? But it comes down to the government paying these people properly so they don't have to steal or get into crime. Get enough manpower. If you can pay a $2 billion phone bill, like the Rastaman said, you can employ more people, more Jamaican Coast Guard, bring people in to the fraternity. You understand? But he has done a terrible job, a very terrible job in supporting the borders. And the man them, who is Coast Guard, the man them is totally tuned in to what's going on, and probably them themselves have to hustle. Because if them not hustle, them can't make ends meet. He needs to hire new guards, coast guards, and new people for patrol. You can't just like, I want one police up there, so. No. You have to secure the border, Andrew. And what is going on in Jamaica, it is very revealing to what's going to take place in the future in Jamaica. When we talk about Coast Guard, and not just Coast Guard alone, me I talk customs officer, immigration officer, all of the people them where them use to secure the border. Them need for hire more airport workers. Them need for come out with a new bill. Them need to revise that gang law and put some infrastructure in it. You understand? Cause one thing me can't understand, why it takes so long for things to build at Jamaica when them a build all a building, dog. But when them man build them big apartment complex, I'm not call no name, cause him and him wife, is real estate. So only thing them concerned about is building a house for the rich. Cause one of them apartment a studio, about $40 million, for a 1 bedroom, Yeah, and at that them do. So my thing is protect the border them. Customs officer, immigration, marine police, all of them things that them need to do. Check the stuff them when them are land at Jamaica. And you have to pay the people right. Now, you remember in the beginning of that video, me say, one thing will raise the ear upon the back of my neck with this. And like me say, me not even see the video, But when you have a group of man, how much? 8, 9, 10 man, all guns out with high-powered weapons, and you know say, listen, this place here is very unsafe for you, for the other people, and for every Jamaican. Now, what has been going on, a powder keg has been brewing in these garrisons. So you see all of the garrison them, from country to town, the people them frustrated, them hungry, miserable, and you name it. And if something is not done to address this crisis, Jamaica might have a coup in the future. Yeah, in the future. Now, the reason why I said that is from just analyzing and giving my opinion. Now, just look at Haiti. It's happened, that some of the biggest gang in Haiti is the law enforcement them. Police who turn to gang because the system pretty much abandoned the police them in terms of wages and everything. So the police them turn to gang. They had banned and disbanded the army from Haiti because them go through so much things with the coups and all of that. So in Jamaica, we see where police them always in the gang thing. We see where police them are the Ranko gang and all sort of thing. Jamaica is a little bit more proactive and, try to deal with certain things, pretty much kill off the people them, kill off the man them. But if them money ever get organized, Jamaica have a serious problem. And the reason why I said that, if you can have 8 to 10 man with high-powered weapons in the middle day, hijacking trucks, no respect for civilian, me no mind them get the money, but how you go buy it? And if you can see all of these things, then we know a crisis is brewing within all these garrisons. Just imagine if all of the garrisons them unite. Cause it's us against them, you know, at the political carnage from day one, from back in the 70s, 80s, 90s. And this are the outcome, where you have 3 million people and probably 2.5 million are suffer, and 500,000 are live upper class, oligarchs, and upper middle class. And the other 2.5 million gone to the dogs. Now, look at all the crime, the robbery, where the man them a pull. If anybody tell me say Jamaica is safe, them me know say them is a mad. What's it? That's it, bro. That thing that is not safe. The Prime Minister might be safe, and the government minister them, cause them have police. I watch them and I guard them. But all a man like me, if 8 man can go for a security guard, brings truck to blow out, what them would I do with countryman? Well, that's how I feel about it. And I'm about to wrap up this video. I want you to stay tuned. I've been a little bit busy, but I touch upon Prince Swanee. Me and the Ross from out of St. Anne's. I always say St. Mary, but a St. Anne's. We're going to do an interview, and the Ross there on the ground. And the man make you know what go on, and we are talk about enough things, Prince Swanee. Enough more videos coming. Now, I want you to like, share, and subscribe. Click on another video. And I love everybody. Peace. I'm out.